Hi there, hope you are doing well. So, have you ever wanted to know hot Shopify theme and apps your competitor website using? Then you are at the right place. In this video, I am gonna show you how you can detect a Shopify theme and apps your competitor website is using or any Shopify website is using. So, in this video, we will spy on Mr. Beast store. So, let's copy the Mr. Beast store. So this is the Mr. Beast Shopify store. Let's paste the URL here and click on scan. So here you can see the Shopify theme details and total 30 apps and total detected on this website, the Mr. Beast website. He's using Shopify, and here you can see the details. The theme name is publisher. If you click on the theme name or view demo or download, it will take to you to the theme page. So let's click on the, and here you can see he's using a pre Shopify theme called publisher. So let's look at the apps he is using. So here you can see it's total 30 apps and total detected. So analytics, he's using this analytics and payment gateway, this payment gateway, and this is the all apps. And this recommended apps are really powerful. You can use them as well. If you click on any app like a rebuy engine, it will take you to that app page. Here you can see. So he's using Jasmine products reviews, rebuy, and the post parses especially, and InstaFeed, Clavio, email marketing, PostScript, SMS marketing, geolocation app, route, add to cart, accessibility, Tixel, push all, Amazon Prime, Redo. This is for military discount. This discount especially for military, stampede reviews, the chatbot, TikTok, parcel panel, the order tracking, and the size SERPs, etc. So you can also explore our blog, and you can also purchase Shopify add-ons. If you click here, you will see the pre-built Shopify section, and this is just $10, like the comparison table, circle menu, and lots of things you can visit. So that's the video. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you.